So today will be the last day that I will be reviewing local noon time. The local noon time, the times that we're going to use the time from Phoenix, Arizona. The sunrise today is 6:10 a.m. and the sunset today at 6:36 p.m. So those are the numbers that we will be using to determine local noon time. So the first thing that we need when determining local noon time is we need a sunrise and a sunset. So that's step one, to have the sunrise and sunset. The second step is we need to find out the difference in between sunrise, which in this case is 6:10, and noon. So I tell the students to set their problem up as 1160 minus 610. And the reason why we go with 1160 is because in 60 minutes is 1 hour. And we know that noon means 12 o'clock. So 11 hours and 60 minutes, the same as 12 o'clock. So we do our mathematics and we subtract. And you have to be very careful because the slightest amount or the slightest calculation that is done incorrectly, your whole problem will be thrown off. So step two, I have my time span in between noon and sunrise. Step three, this is step one, this is step two. Step three is the easiest of them all. So that would mean that you just directly write down the time for sunset. In this case, sunset is 6:36. And just to be consistent, circle it. Put step three. When you get step four, in step four, you need to add step two and three. So when it comes to step four, you need to add step two and three. So I'm going to add step two and three, which is 550 plus 636, because I'm trying to find the time span of that entire day, which will give me 6, 8, 11 hours and 86 minutes. But then again, it goes back with the term. We don't walk around saying, oh, I've been outside for 11 hours and 86 minutes. So when we get to that portion, we would take the 11 minutes and 86 seconds. I'm just going to go to the other page. 11 minutes, I'm sorry, 11 hours and 86 minutes. And we're going to take 60 minutes from here because 60 minutes is equal to an hour. So if I take 60 minutes from here, I have to put it somewhere. I just can't drop it and say I don't want to deal with the 60 minutes anymore. So I take the 60 minutes and I put it in the hour portion. So now I have 12 hours and 26 minutes. So that's the time span in between sunrise and sunset. Now, the next step you're going to take, which is step 5, you're going to take 1226 and divide it by 2 because we need half of that time. Oops, mistakey. 6 hours and 13 minutes. So half of from sunrise and sunset will be 6 hours and 13 minutes. So that's step 5. Our last step, which is going to give you the answer for local noon time, is you're going to take step 5 and add it to sunrise. So I have 6 hours and 13 minutes plus 6 hours and 10 minutes which means in this case for this particular day, for today, where the sun was the highest in the sky over Arizona, is 12:23. And that is how you do local noon time.